Let's see what's going on here with Kenny Polcari. He joins us now. Kenny, I've got a different slight angle here. I can see how investors might want to sell now to avoid a higher tax later. I understand that. But it's possible that this tax hike will be backdated to January the 1st of this year. Bill Clinton did that. That would mean no escape. That would be truly bad news now, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that would be really bad news. And I'd be surprised. I mean, yes, it did happen. Bill Clinton did do it. I suppose if the current administration is desperate enough, they would backdate it to January. I think there'd be a revolution if they tried to raise taxes that much and it passed and then they tried to backdate it. I think it would be ugly. But I don't, I think yesterday's reaction was a bit of an overreaction because, listen, it's a proposal. He put it out there. It's not necessarily that new. He campaigned on, look, I'm Joe Biden, elect me and I'm going to raise your taxes. That was very clear when he was running for president. So this isn't really out of left field. I think the issue yesterday was it caught everyone, the 43.4% number is what caught the headline and sent the markets down. I think in the end, there'll be certainly this back and forth and they're going to haggle over it and they'll compromise somewhere in the middle. This way, each side has a little bit of victory to say, look, we got him down here, or the Democrats will say, look, we gave back on this. I'm curious, though, what you think about the SALT, because if they reinstate SALT...
I knew it. That's what everybody is saying SALT,
here. Right, but if they reinstate it, they're actually helping out. What they're doing is they're helping all the wealthy people, exactly who they're saying that they're going after. So I don't see them reinstating SALT, although you do make a good point that the big Democratic donors, are screaming and yelling at them saying, what are you doing? It's going to be an interesting fight.
You got that right. Are you surprised by Bitcoin's plunge? Or more to the point, Dogecoin going to 22 cents?
Dogecoin. I call it Dogecoin just because it's a dog, right? No, I'm not surprised at all. First of all, Dogecoin has an unlimited supply, apparently, unlike some of these other cryptos. So that's number one. But number two, it was created as a farce back in 2013. The fact that you got people like Elon Musk and Chamath Palihapitiya screaming about it, where they don't have anything to lose in that fight at all, by the way, right? As billionaires, they can talk all they want about it. They got nothing to lose. But meanwhile, the people who have stuff to lose get drawn into the fray. But no, I think Dogecoin's going even lower beyond that, because I think the whole surge last week was all this excitement, and I think it's coming home to roost now as some of these coins kind of readjust in price. But I think Dogecoin is just that, a dog.
Check your email, check your Twitter feed, because you're going to get some hostility for saying that. Believe me, son, you really are. Kenny, great to see you.
Son, you and I are the same age. Are you kidding me? Well, maybe I'm a little bit younger.
Yes, you are, actually. I know you are, lad. I know you are. All right, we'll see you next week. Good luck, Kenny.